Hello, in this video I'll be making this cute koala ornament. The supplies for this project are linked in the description. To start with, you'll need to make some glitter ornaments. I've covered the complete process of how to make these in another video linked below, so please feel free to check that out. To cut the parts needed, let's go into Cricut Design Space and upload the SVG file. You can either create a similar design by yourself or use the SVG file linked in the description from my Etsy shop. I have also included 2 freebies also linked in the description for you to download. The different materials that will be cut are organized into groups, including the cardstock group, felt group, and vinyl group. There's also a reference circle showing the ornament size, which we can turn off when cutting. Make sure to click on the vinyl group and click Combine and Unite to lock in the eyes and nose. There are 2 options for the flower crown. We'll be making the rolled flower option, so we can expand the cardstock group and turn off the other flower option. Then click Make to start cutting the felt, vinyl, and cardstock. I typically cut all the materials except the felt first with the fine tip blade. Then switch to the rotary blade to cut the felt. Once we have all the parts cut out, we can start assembling. First, transfer the koala face onto the ornament. Then using hot glue, we can assemble the ears and stick them onto the ornament. Lastly, we can use hot glue to put on the leaves and rolled flowers. Then complete the ornament with a little bell and ribbon. You can use this similar process to create other animal ornaments such as a bunny and a cat. I've included the SVG files for the bunny and cat as freebies linked in the description. Thank you for watching and leave me a comment if you have any questions.